express my deep appreciation to Judge Acosta for having allowed me to speak for and in behalf of the thousands and thousands of households that are now at risk because of the continuing quarry operations. I also manifested that there is supposed to be a meeting. In fact, I'm going back to the Capitol. We're supposed to have a meeting now at 3 o'clock with the regional directors of DNR, the MGB, and the EMB, together with Apoland, Cemex, and the buyer of all of their shares for Apoland and Cemex, AM Consulhi. So this was in extreme bad faith that they went to file for a temporary restraining order, and we are supposed to discuss ways and means on how the quarry operations may continue, but at the same time protecting these households. Kung isa pa may lain, di ay barog paraan nila nga pa man yung mga influence town. Mga pobre tayo ng nagpuyo diha. Pero dili kumutingog, they will run the constant risk of having another Naga tragedy that will happen. So, I don't know what happened to them. They filed for a TRO, and then ang council was instructed by top management to withdraw. So, it's good that they withdraw, that they have withdrawn, but ni-rule ang judge na the case was dismissed. Kay, even though ni-withdraw sa nagkapagyaw-yaw gihapon, sige justify, hindi na ba yun justify? Ang ilang gi-justify kay naundang ang ilang pangwarta, nagkangwarta maundang. Lubinta kuno kabuok maapektahan. Naman sa inyong news, lubinta kabuok maapektahan ng operators at kanan-kanan involved with operation. This is over 10,000 households. Okay lang, apektahan ang sweldo. Hindi man nila taga ang compensation. Di mo man taon yung mga nanarbaho para nila. In the meantime, na ang akong cease-and-desist, nasa na term that within 30 days, we are hoping to come to an agreement. What I really want is to create buffer zones. Kaya ni-issue man sa MGB previous administration na dili kinikaroon, ni-issue man sa mga MPSAs na di-appeal ang areas na purting daghanan na namuyo. Kibaw ka ng MPSA, Mineral Processing Sharing Agreement, that gives blanket authority for Apoland to quarry anywhere, regardless now. Mu-issue ang MGB, MPSA, ni-issue sa EMB, previous dili kinikaroon, o Environmental Compliance Certificate. So this is an environmental issue, not to mention a potential disaster to human lives issue. Kumuna, kung environmental, they filed in the wrong court.
So, na-mention na makik-meeting unta karon.
Nanay meeting na ko.